Hello, in this tutorial we'll look at restricted permutations. We know that permutations means arrangement of things. When we put restricted in the front, meaning there is certain restriction put when arranging the things. Or we also say some conditions are applied while arranging the things. Restriction means some conditions are applied while making the arrangement of things. Now, these restrictions, there are plenty different types of restrictions that we put when we arrange the things, or that when we do the permutation of the things. Okay, the first type of permutations with certain restriction is if certain things always occur and never occur. This I have put in the question form. It says in how many of the permutations of n things taken r at a time will x things always occur, will x things never occur. Now what do you understand from this? So here taking r things at a time means we'll have r places to make the arrangements. Okay? So in this manner we'll have r places. In total there are r positions or r places. Fine. Now first one, always occur. X things always occur. Here we are saying X things always occur. Meaning from out of R places, X places will always be occupied by X things. Okay? X places out of R things, R places will be always occupied by X things. So let's say these are the X places occupied. These are the X places. Now in how many ways can these X places be occupied? So we have, what did I say? In total, we have R places. No? And from there, X places are being occupied. So this this arrangement can be of RP X ways. Okay? RP X ways. One thing, if we do not make any restriction, if we do not put any restriction, then arrangement of n things taken r at a time is simply NPR. We know this, isn't it? NPR. Now here our restriction is n x things always occur. So we have seen that this x places will be occupied in RPX ways. Now remaining we have how many places left? We are left with r minus x places, isn't it? R minus x places. And already we have taken x things. In this r minus x places, only n minus x things will come. And how many things will be taken? Already we have taken r. So how many places are there? R minus x places. Now, combining these two, we can make the permutations with x things always occur. Okay? Part A, I'm simply writing number of arrangements or permutations will be equal to first r things, no? Meaning in r places x things can occupy in rp x ways, and again remaining r minus x places will be occupied in, so remaining we have n minus x things. Already we have taken the x things, p r minus x. So this is the number of permutations that can be made by taking r things from n things when x things always occur. Now let's see B. B is very simple. When we say never occur, just forget about the things that are not occurring, meaning cancel, subtract that many things from the total number of things or total number of items. So number of arrangements will simply be equal to n minus x P, but we have to take R number of things. Okay, so for second condition or for second restriction, this is the total number of permutations, and n minus x p r. Hope it is clear. This is the concept behind the arrangement of n things taken r at a time when x things always occur and x things never occur. Now let us look at one example. So here in the example it says, in how many of the permutations of 10 things taken 4 at a time will one thing always occur? No? So we are taking 4 things at a time, meaning there are 4 places to occupy. No? Out of 10 things, only the vacant places are 4, isn't it? Now in this place, one place is already booked by this one thing, because it says in the first condition it always occur, meaning one place, one of these places. Okay, I'm not restricting in the first place. One of the 4 places is booked by one item. No, so in how many ways can that this 4 places be occupied by that one item? In 4p1 ways, isn't it? He can, this one thing can be put here or here or here or here. Now remaining we have 3 places. We have 3 places. Not, I'm not fixing the place. This any of the 3 places, isn't it? Now here already we have, out of 10 things, already one thing has been arranged in 4p1 ways, and remaining we have 10 minus 1 things, isn't it? P, since already it is 1 is taken out, again here 4 minus 1, right? So part A, as per above knowledge, number of arrangements is equal to, so here 4p1 times 10 minus 1 p 4 minus 1, which is equal to 4p1 times 9p3 will give you a value that many ways. Hope it is clear. Now let's go for part B with when one thing never occur. So subtract that things from the total number of things. So number of arrangements will be equal to 10 minus 1 p, but we have to take 4 things. Okay, we are taking 4 things at a time. So which is equal to 9p 9p4 will give you a value. If you know, we can do manually or you can use calculator. There's many ways. Hope it is clear. Thank you. This is the whole thing that we have done. Once again, thank you everyone.